Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group on PC and you want to prevent a specific admin from managing stories, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the new update steps so you can lock down story controls without hassle. First, open the Telegram app on your computer and navigate to the group you want to adjust. This is where your group's settings come into play, and the changes you make here protect how content is shared within the chat. Next, look at the top of the group page and click on the three horizontal lines. This opens the group's management menu where you'll find all the important controls for admins and members. It's a compact hub, but everything you need is right here. From there, select Manage Group, then Administrators. This section lists all the admins with varying levels of permissions. It's where you assign, revoke, or tweak what each admin can do within the group, including who can post to stories. Now, find the admin you want to adjust, click on their name to open their permission slate. Here you'll see a variety of toggles and options that define what they're allowed to do. To prevent that admin from managing stories, locate the permission labeled Manage Stories or a similarly named option related to story controls. Disable this switch or uncheck the box. Once you've turned off the ability to manage stories, confirm your choice by looking for a Save or Apply button and clicking it. This ensures the new permission level sticks. A quick recap: open the app, go to the group, access the top menu, choose Manage Group and Administrators, select the target admin, disable Manage Stories, and save your changes. That's all there is to it. With these steps, the admin will keep their other powers intact, but won't be able to influence stories in your group anymore. This approach can help maintain the group's focus and prevent any unintended story posts from controlled accounts. If you're handling multiple groups or planning broader permission changes, you can repeat the same process for each group. Staying organized with a clear permissions map can save you time and prevent mistakes later on. That's everything you need to safeguard your group story settings on Telegram for PC.